Hey, it's me, Steve WB, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are climbing on the roof at night to put the GoPro Hero 10 up there to try to do a night lapse of the stars, because we are entering a contest put on by no other than Danny Black. If you don't know who Danny Black is, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below so you can go check out his channel and enter this contest as well, because there are going to be prizes. So I encourage you to join this. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I did with my GoPro. And as you can see, it's a big battery pack on the back with the GoPro in a Ziploc bag, and I cut a little hole in the bag because I have to have the battery door open for the cord, and I just have the lens poking through the bag. And I had a previous fail with this because the wind blew the bag over the lens during the night. So that's why I have all the rubber bands. 30,000 milliamp battery, GoPro Hero 10 with a cord on night lapse, and I'm going to share the settings with you as well. But let's get on the roof first. Okay, we got our ladder set up. So this is either going to be really good or really bad. Now I know you can't see me at this point. Nope, still can't see me. We'll talk more when I get down. There it is. Good night, little GoPro. I'll see you in the morning. Not really sure it's the smartest thing to climb on top of a slippery trailer and then jump over to your roof with a pair of Crocs on, but we got it done. Okay, so I just got off the roof, and we're gonna have to wait until tomorrow, of course, which for you will probably be a matter of 20 seconds. But these are the settings as recommended by Danny Black. I'm not sure if I got them all correct, but this is what I'm using. I do live in a city, so I had to get on the roof and put the camera on the back side of my roof away from the street light to try to avoid as much light pollution as possible. But let's go over, and I'm going to read these settings to you. 4K resolution, wide lens, 30-second interval if there's no moon. You can try 20 if that's too bright. If the moon is out, 5 seconds. Of course, night lapse mode, no limit as to how long it's going to record. You want to control that so it can go the entire night. And let's see, and the ISO max was at 800 and the ISO minimum was 100. Let's see how it looks in the morning. Okay, so it's the next morning. As you can see, the sun is up. It's time to get on the roof and get the camera and see how our footage came out. But first, a very important safety tip. Anytime climbing a ladder or getting on a roof with a pair of Crocs, make sure you go from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive. And that will prevent them from falling off your feet in very precarious situations. Safety first. Got the camera, but the sun's coming up. Let's go check that out real quick. Photography and videography people, creatives in general, we're always looking at sunsets, sunrises. I don't know how this is going to come through, but like a nice Florida sunrise, looking through the palm trees. Good morning. So what we're going to do is end this video by watching the time-lapse footage, or the night lapse as I should say, and what is going to be my entry to Danny Black's competition. Make sure you jump over to his site, submit your own video, and enter this contest. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.